Alright, this is a video for anyone who has an M1 MacBook Pro and they downgraded it to be able to install iOS apps like Snapchat. As we can see, once we've downloaded Snapchat, it'll open for the first time and it'll let you log in. But after the app closes, you'll see that, well, we just get an error message. So how are we supposed to fix this? As a lot of people would think, oh, well, it's Snapchat, there's no way to fix it. Oh, well, you would be wrong, my kind sir. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Finder, and normally if you've not set your computer up to do this, you'll go up to the Finder window, you'll go to Preferences, and on Show These Items on the desktop, you're gonna click on Hard Disk and make sure that's checked so you can see Macintosh HD. We're gonna click on that. Once we're here, you're gonna click Command, Shift, and the period at the same time. It'll show all the hidden files on your device. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Users, we're gonna click on your name, and then we're gonna click on the grayed out library right here. Now once we're here, you'll be at the top, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down until you see Containers. Click on that, and you're gonna scroll down until you see Snapchat. Click on that, you'll have the data, click on that, then click on Documents. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see something called Global Scoped. We're gonna click onto this, and there'll be this one little folder here. This folder is our problem. It took me a while to figure this out. Don't ask how long it took. But anyway, you can delete this folder and Snapchat will open. But here's the problem with that. Once you open Snapchat, it'll recreate this folder, and then once Snapchat closes again, it won't open again. So how do we fix this? Well, we just use the tools that came with our MacBook, of course. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this folder, and there's gonna be this one thing right here. The other ones you can ignore. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just move that to the trash, empty our trash just to make sure it's completely out of our way forever. Now, how are we gonna stop? Let me just reopen it. How are we gonna stop it from making this other file? Well, that's quite easy actually. We're just gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click Get Info. Now, on right down here, we're gonna scroll all the way down, click the lock. It's going to ask for Touch ID. We just do that, or your password, and we'll have your name and then read and write. We're gonna change that to read only. Then we're gonna click the three little dots, and we're gonna click to apply to enclosed items. Click OK. It'll take it like a split second and it'll be done with. Then we can close out all of our magical files, and now we can open up Snapchat. And because Snapchat no longer has read or write permissions to that folder anymore, it literally cannot create the folder or create that file. So if we go to force quit and we actually force quit Snapchat, as you can see, Snapchat has no problem starting again. So now you can use it as many times as you want, and this even works if you restart the computer. Trust me, I've done that too. But yeah, this is a quick and easy fix.